Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'll show you how to get a free VPS or a Windows RDP server. Today in this video, I'll introduce you to a cloud service provider that offer $100 free credit to test their services. With this credit, you can create a VPS or a RDP or a storage cloud with up to 8 core of processors, 16 GB of RAM and 2 GB of internet connection. Also, you have all admin permission, which means you can install your application without any restriction. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icons to stay updated with my all videos. So let's get started. So firstly, open this website called Kamatera Performance Cloud. I'll provide the website free credit link in the description and the comment pin so you can check it out. Kamatera Cloud provide us $100 free credit for next 30 days to test their services. To access this offer, you need to register your details on Kamatera Performance Cloud. To do that, you need to enter your email ID over here. Like I'm doing that. I'm entering my email ID, and now you have to create any strong password to log in the server. So click on the create new account. You need to verify your email address. To do that, you need to check your inbox for an email from Kamatera Express like this one. Now you have to click on the verification link, and now your email ID is verified. Click on continue. So now you have to enter your basic detail for billing like first name, last name, address, city, country, zip and state. And now you have to enter your mobile number over here. Click on next. So now you see the promo code 1 month 300, which means you will get 30 days of free uses, one cloud storage up to $100 and 1000 GB of cloud block storage, which one is most important thing, and 1000 GB of outgoing internet traffic, which means you can use 1000 GB internet per month. Now you have to enter your credit card detail over here to verify your billing details. Okay, so now you click on next, and they will process and check your credit card details. Maybe they will charge you $1 to verify your credit card. Okay, so let me verify my credit card details. So now my credit card details verified, and what I get, servers for 5 servers I can create, and server create frequency is 15. Okay, it's too much, means 15 servers I can create frequently. And after the other detail like maximum server price and IPs, and if you want to increase your quota, like if you want to create more services, so you can apply for request quota increase. So now I'll show you how to create a cloud server. Click on my cloud, click on servers and click on create new server. Now you have to wait for a few seconds, and you can select any of server like Asia, North America like Toronto, Chicago, Miami, New York, St. Clara, Texas, and in Europe you will see Germany, London, Italy, Sweden, and in the Middle East you will see another some countries. So currently I am going with the United Kingdom, London. Okay, so now you have to select any operating system. There are too many like Alma Linux, CentOS, Debian, Fedora, Ubuntu and Windows. So basically we are using with Windows operating system because we are going to create a Windows RDP. So currently I am selecting the Windows. Click on Windows, and now you have to select any operating system like Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. So currently I am going with Windows 10. If you want to go for a Windows 8.1, is completely depend and completely up to you. Okay, so scroll down. There will be see some other things like type of the server, like there are 4 types you can create it: journal, dedicator, bus table and availability. I'll show you the difference. Like currently I'm going with journal. So 4 core processor, 4 GB of RAM and 100 GB of storage. It cost me $81. Okay, if I'm going with another like availability, so if I'm creating a 4 core of CPU, 4 GB of RAM, it just cost me $41, means half of the price. If I'm going with dedicated, so it will cost me $131. So it's too much costly. So if you want to learn it, so you can create a availability server. It's cheaper and the best. So currently I'm going with bus table because bus table are hourly servers, means you can use this for hourly. They won't charge you for the month. So currently I'm going with 8 core processor, 10 GB of RAM and 100 GB of storage. Maybe I can increase it for 200 GB. So it will cost me 13 cents per hour and $97 per month. Okay, so currently I'm going with, and now I don't need any backup, and also I don't need any management service So in networking, you have to choose public internet connection. You can also use a private local network, and also you can go in advanced and select advanced networking. Okay, currently I'm not doing that. Now we need to enter our password. Like this password is required to log in our RDP or a VPS server. Okay, so currently I'm creating my password to log in my RDP, and now you have to set up any of your name for your RDP or a VPS server. So currently I'm selecting Prince Rai. Okay, it's available now. So if I tell you about billing, so if I'm going with hourly, it will cost me just 13 cent per hour, and if the server is on, it's got me 13 cent per hour. If the server is off, it's just cost me 2 cent per hour. Even I don't delete anything, I have the data in my server, just it cost me 2 cent per hour when the server is off, and when the server is on, it's just cost me 13 cent per hour. So it's too much cheaper. So now you have to create our server. So just click on create server. Okay, so in task queue you can see your server. Let me show you. So there is the server name Prince Rai, and it's creating now. Because it's a Windows server, so it will take approx 10 to 15 minutes, or sometime it's take 20 minutes. Currently I'm boosting the speed. So okay, so now our server is created. So let me show you how to log in and use the Windows RDP server. For that you need to click on open, and now you have to copy the public internet IP. So click on copy, and now you have to open your RDP from your system, like remote desktop connection. Now you have to paste your IP address, click on connect, and now you have to enter your username. So my username is administrator, and now you have to enter the password. Okay, click on OK and connect. So our server is connected now. This is our Windows RDP server. Let me show you the system specification of the server. Click on yes, and here you will see the system specification like processor, memory and other things. So our processor is 2.6 GHz, 8 core of CPU and 10 GB of RAM. If I'll show you the storage of the system, so this PC, and here you will get the 200 GB of the storage. If I'll check they provide the graphic support or not, so they won't provide any graphic support and any other things. Okay, so just close it. Now I will show you the internet speed of this server, how much they provide you. So let me open it. Click on speed test, speedtest.net. So currently I'm opening the speedtest.net and click on go. So they will provide you around 3 to 4 Gbps per second the internet speed. It's too much and too good for your work and other things. So that's it in the video. By following my tutorial, you can also create your own VPS or a RDP server. If you have any question, query or suggestion, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll definitely reply all of your queries. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.